Hi everyone. Today, as you can see from the title of the video, we're gonna see how we can make sure we have the latest Windows updates available. As soon as it's available uh, officially, you will get that um, as quick as possible. If you want to, because the new updates comes with new security policies and all the kind of new updates. If you check online, Windows latest update features in security. So it's really good. In Windows 11, especially, the security features are like phishing protection, secure core PC standards, base security, Hyper-V. So it's really good. You have to update your Windows updates up to date. So make sure, I'm just gonna go through with you how to do that and how to make sure you have all the updates available. So in this search menu, you have to search your updates. You will see check the updates. It's gonna take you to the Windows Update section. As you can see, there are 3 more updates available. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install here. So instead of it's gonna reboot fully and then install and then first download and install. So I would install here when it's fully 100% from here. It's gonna give me option to just restart. So it's fully downloaded, installed, and just when I'm gonna reboot my laptop, it's gonna fully active then. So the feature I'm just going to talk about how you can get that. As you can see from I activate this, get the latest updates as soon as they available. So I check this. I'm sure you have to check this on your laptop. This was turned off by default, so I have to, or you have to do it manually by coming to Windows Updates section. And that's the first thing. Second thing, you have to check every now and then, monthly or just while you're looking into these things, update history. So when you click on this, and you have to make sure your Windows updates are successfully installing or installed in your laptop, because sometimes it's keep failing. So at that time you have to check, because I remember a few of our laptops are keep failing on the security, which is the main updates came out. So I just went to support and figure out that. So just make sure you have to keep an eye on the update history and then driver updates. So you have to make sure, like, just see everything is fine, this downloading fine, definition update. So as you can see, everything is perfectly fine downloading. And in case you have to uninstall any updates, like sometime I think last month some updates came out and that causing some issues. So what you can do, you can uninstall the updates. So when you click on this, you have to select which one you want to uninstall, because it's gonna show you here the most recent one you installed. So there you have option to uninstall any of those updates you don't like or causing any issues. Uh, if you go back, yeah, that's the second thing. The third thing is, if you go in advanced option here, and here, as you can see, receive updates for other Microsoft products. It's up to you. You're on and off. This one, I think it's the same one, but I'm not sure. But here as well, get me up to date. Yeah, it's a different one basically. If you come here, this is the get the latest update as soon as they're available. And in advanced option, get me up to date. So restart as soon as possible, even during active hours, to finish updating, and notify me 15 minutes before restarting so I can make sure this device is on and plugged in. So turn this on and it will push you to restart. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you're really busy in something or in the middle of something. So it will give you 15 minutes bracket to close that down or save any file, any documents you want to save, and then update your laptop as soon as possible, because it's really good and it's the point behind of these updates are because every day the new phishing attacks or new kind of viruses people makes, and then these updates are the shields to secure those kind of things coming into your laptop. And it's really scary, and it's really good to turn these privacy settings on and to secure your laptop. uh, yeah, and as you can see, there are options to notify when restarting is required to finish updating. You can turn this on, up to you. You can select when you want to update, which time. Like for example, I usually prefer to do after my work finish, like 5:30. You can schedule for that manually or leave it for automatic, which is fine. uh, Additionally, option you can have there are features and quality which you want to download: delivery, optimization, recovery, restart apps, configured update policy. So you can go through with this and see whatever suits you. So yeah, these are three main things. As you can see, one is completed, the other one is pending install. So these things sometimes takes a bit time. So it's better if you keep install, let them install here, and then when you reboot your laptop, it's not gonna take that long. So it will like pretty quick, which actually saves your time and effort. So yeah, just make sure install all, and then as you can see here, it's showing me as well your device is missing important updates. Select this icon for more information. So if I close this and click on this icon, I'm sure you're gonna see as well it shows on both Windows 10 and 11. So when you click on this, it's gonna bring me to the same page where I was. There you go. And now it's showing because one is completed, it's gone from here. Now this one is downloading, and after this I have to restart. So I hope you understand everything, and just make sure turn on these features, and it's gonna really help you to secure your laptop.